Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I'm going to share with you what's for dinner. So this is the second time that I've completed this type of video. So I will have the first one linked in the description for you. But I share my dinners from Monday the 10th to Thursday the 13th of June. So you can see everything that we've ate. And I just want to say that the book that I've cooked everything from One Yummy Mummy, I will have that linked in the description, and I'm finding this really good. I purchased it near Mother's Day as a gift for myself. And yeah, so let's jump in and see what we've had for dinner this past week.
So today we are going to be having Southern baked chicken. I have this from the One Yummy Mummy recipe book, and I'll have that linked on Amazon for you. But basically it's just chicken thighs with a whole load of seasoning and breadcrumbs, and I have to say guys, it turned out really nice. Those chicken thighs were so tender on the inside and juicy. Definitely recommend that. Today we are having honey glazed pork chops with roasted veggies. So this turned out really well. Robert brought the leftovers to work. I did it with baked potato, and yes, definitely another one from that book that I would recommend. Today we have mild Mexican chili with homemade tortilla chips. So this turned out really well. I did make it a little bit more spicy.
That's it guys, that is today's video. As you saw, we had our takeaway at the end, and tonight it was KFC, and it wasn't great, but you know, it's something. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I would love to hear your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are new around here, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.